Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Avers, the Daily Trader. It is February 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, what else is new? We closed at 12.45, minus 87 cents. That's 6.53% down. We closed at 12.45. Post market, we are at 10.89, up 44 cents. So yeah, nothing's new. Between 11.94 and 14.42, I'm starting to learn those numbers by heart. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just for fun. So what happened today went down a little bit harshly. And then that set the tone, and the stock went down every hour then. Everything is bearish on the indicators on the 1 hour chart. And on the daily chart, we still have our MACD that's crossed over. Everything else is ugly. Don't hold your breath. Wait for 1442, or you could wait for a break of this resistance right here. So this is a downward resistance. You could wait for a break of that when a stock breaks outside of a congestion zone. Okay, let me draw the congestion zone here. So when a stock breaks out of a congestion zone and it was on the low side, it needs to go up and to break it. So it's nice to catch the stock when it breaks and catch this little right here, but it's also nice to catch this little right here. So the way to catch this little ride is to look for a kind of a pattern. So now we have a pattern here. We have a downward resistance right here. So maybe when the stock breaks this resistance right here, we can enter and then maybe sell when we get rejected here by this resistance, but maybe we stay in it to see if it continues. So this is one way of entering a little bit lower. So we have this kind of a pattern right here. We had the same pattern right here with this resistance. So we could have entered here, which is lower than 1442. But then in this case, it didn't work. It didn't work. But if stochastic goes a little bit higher, maybe not up to 60, but if it goes a little bit higher, and then the stock breaks this, then the chances are that it's going to work are going to be higher. So depending on your openness to risk, are you a Las Vegas style trader or more a trend follower? Then it's up to you to decide the level of risk that you want to take. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.